This is a quick tutorial on how to log into Church Center for the first time and how to share your information on our directory. So if you're a member of our church or you participate with us at all, you probably received an invitation that looks something like this. It's an email that says you're invited to the church directory for our church. You can click the Yes, Share My Information button. That's the fastest way to do this. You can also download the Church Center app on your phone or your mobile device. Enter the church name. Our church name is a Seventh-day Adventist Church, Pasco Riverview campus. Or you can just share your current location and choose it from the list of nearby churches. Pasco Riverview. I'm going to choose Log In. And you'll notice that it asks for a mobile number. If you've given us the mobile number, then go ahead and put that in. I don't have a mobile number on my temporary account that I'm using, so I'm going to choose Use Email, which is at the bottom of the page. And I'm going to say my temporary email. And it's going to send me a one-time password. And this is the same for your phone. It'll send you a text or it'll send you an email with your one-time password. Okay, and log in as Jason. Now, if I click on the directory at the bottom of the page, right in the middle, it's going to say you haven't shared your information yet. So I'm going to say Share Now. And I get to choose. If I have several family members, I'll see all of those family members on this page. And so I choose my name and I choose what I'd like to share. The profile, my birthday, and I'm going to go ahead and share my contact information as well. This is a secure directory, so only people who have been invited to it have access to it. And the only people we invite are the ones that are connected to our church on a regular basis. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. And now my profile is available in the church directory. And here you can see that information. But you can notice that I don't have a photo. Now I can choose to edit it from this screen, and I could also, I'm going to show you the other place. If you click on the top left, the two letters of your name, in this case J-A for me, and it says, Hello Jason, I can click on that, Hello Jason, and then choose my directory profile. And that's another place I can edit this information from. So I'm going to add my photo, and to do that, I'm not going to click on the directory profile. Instead, I'm going to click on My Profile and Household, and that will give me access to my contact information and my directory. So I'm going to choose Edit under Profile Information and click on Update Photo at the top. And I'm going to go ahead and take a photo. That's pretty good. I can also, if I want to add somebody in my house, I can click on the plus sign on the top right, and I'm going to add a child, and we're going to call this one Warfet, and I'm going to give them a birth date. They're 2 years old. There we go. And now I have, under my directory profile, I have a household, and I can choose to share the information of my children as well. And you can see there's a new button here. It's the household photo. So I'm going to click on the edit button there, and I'm going to go ahead and choose from library. I'm going to allow full access just for this minute, and just because it's a quick look, typically you'd put a whole family picture here, but we'll use that for now. I'm going to click Update. You can see there is my name, but there's also the Andrew household that's available here, and you can see all of the people in that household.